Hey guys, Barry Potts with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Today I'm on the 2025 Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. This boat has a white hull color, white Mercury V12 Verados, 600 horsepower each. On the transom here, we have an awesome little shower spot with a pole and a shower head, hot water, of course. Nice lounging area across the back. This boat does have our sea decking all the way throughout the boat, from the transom all the way to the bow. With the 400 SLX, you have the power actuated fold down dive door. And then while you're lounging out, this swings back as well. So you have a nice vantage spot to watch the kids swim or jump off, have a good time. Walking into the cockpit, really large open space here with a huge teak table here, which does fold up for more room to get around. At your wet bar, you have 2 refrigerators, 2 grills, freshwater sink, and a place for your trash. The TV here is removable, so if you're not using the boat, there's a safe place to store it. But while you're out here, you can watch your games, fire sticks, watch movies, anything you want to do. At the helm, we have twin Simrad screens. These Simrads are interfaced with the whole boat here. So controlling your lights, music, pumps, floats, everything like that is controlled through your helm. For your throttles, of course, you have the Mercury joystick JPO system and your automatic trim tabs by Lenco. Walking to the bow, side walkway, large spacious area. Place for 3 here, looking forward with armrests, okay? And another space up here to sit. There is a teak table that goes in the middle and also a bow filler cushion that fills in this whole area. So you have a place to lounge out, but also to, lay out as well. Recessed bow anchor windlass with spotlight. Let's take a look at the cabin. The cabin of the 400 SLX right now. Nice area to sit around with a meal, 4 to 5 people, and this also drops down with a filler to make it another berth to sleep. Of course, you have a full beam berth in the back here as well. It's really comfortable. In the 400, you're gonna have a microwave, an additional refrigerator, and your Samsung TV with a sound bar. There is a second TV, I should say third TV, in the aft berth as well. For a head, we have a really nice sized wet head here with a vacuum flush toilet, natural lighting, and a really just well finished sink and everything all put together. This is the 400 SLX from Sea Ray 2025. I'm Barry Potts. See you on the water.